Morning, girl. It's a new day. I'm about to juice today. I bought some I told y'all I went to the Chinese herb doctor, and he did tell me that I do gotta drink more beets. I gotta eat more beets. So I'm about to just juice some beets that I bought and some celery. I'm just gonna make a quick little juice out of what I have. Drink it real quick, bing bang boom. So yeah, watch me juice. How y'all doing today? Did y'all miss me? Are y'all liking my videos so far? This is the juicer that I have, the Nama, I think it's the Nama J2 or something like that. I'm cutting up the stuff that I'm juicing. I literally have just three, hold on. I have 3 beets that I'm about to like clean them off and take off whatever that is. And then some celery. And then I'm gonna make a quick clicker juice. What days do y'all think I should upload my videos on? I was thinking I should do like Sundays, because like Sunday's a calm day. I feel like everybody's home on Sunday for the most part. A lot of people post on Sunday, so I don't know. I definitely don't want to do the weekends for real, like Friday and Saturday, because everybody be outside. So, you know, like of course people are gonna get to it when they get to it, but you know, I want y'all to get to it right away, right now. So if you are watching this video and you think, or you watched my last video and you're planning on like continuing watching my videos and stuff like that, like, you know, let me know what day I should post on. Wait, can y'all see what I'm doing or not? Should I put the camera lower? But it's like y'all either gonna see my face or my ass and me cutting. Which I want to see? Which one? For real. Oh, yeah. But no, for real. Like, even though I used to post on YouTube all the time, I feel like this time is a little bit different. Because, like, I don't want to do what everybody else is doing. And I just want to just do what works for me. I'm just doing what I do in real life. I'm acting the way how I act in real life. I'm going to edit my videos that match my personality. And yeah, I'm just doing what works, what's good for me. Honestly, these beets smell so fresh. I can't remember. I know when I was a child, I had a really bad experience with beets. So I don't know if I'm going to like this or not. I'm really scared. I wish I had something sweet to add to it, like some fruit. There's some apples right there, but like, I might add some apples. I cut these up like small to see if it will fit in the juicer, because the hole is really small, but see, I was going I gotta cut this smaller. Can y'all see? Alright, let me show y'all the first batch. So basically with this juicer, it fills this up first, and then nothing else is going to be able to like make unless you release it. So that the other stuff could fill up in here. But it's not going to fill up. It's not going to fill up because I'm just literally adding 2 apples, and I added 3 apples. I'm going to add 2 more apples and the ginger, and that's not going to make it fill up. But yeah, this is gonna be my breakfast, because I told y'all I'm trying to get skinny. I'm going to a yacht party next month. I'm never gonna stop saying it, and I have to be in a thong bikini, and that's the rules. That's the rules for real. So I have to make sure that my stomach is like, you know, red eggs. But like in reality, I'm gonna wear I'm gonna wear anything I want to, regardless of how I look. I'm not gonna lie. Regardless, like if my belly is, you know, if I have a little belly or if everything is not in line or not in order, I'm still gonna wear my bikini because like I never cared. My favorite fruit is watermelon. I know, niggerish, but like for real, I wouldn't juice no watermelon though. Like, that's ridiculous. This is a big ass ginger. It gives like not real. Okay, yeah, it smells like ginger. I might be dragging it if I put this whole thing of ginger in there because like ginger is really strong. So I'm gonna cut that in half because it's not even a lot of juice anyway. So I'm gonna put a little more ginger. So I kind of like that burning feeling, like you know when something like ginger got a good burn. I want to feel that, like, you know. But yeah, that's it. Like that's everything. Everything is juiced. So alright, this is how it came out. Now I'm about to just drink it. My camera's gonna die, so y'all probably not gonna see that part. Alright, bye.